Hello everyone and welcome back to Learn with Sam and Ash. In this video, I'm going to answer the most important question. How can I check my English grammar when nobody's around? Or if I have to paraphrase the question, I can say that, how can I work on my English grammar and spellings when I don't have a partner to practice with? So have some patience and watch it till the end because you're going to love the solution. Let me ask a question. Have you been in that situation where you were writing an article and you were not confident about the text that goes in that? You were not confident about the English grammar. You were not confident about the spellings. I have been in that situation. I work as a YouTuber, and in that business, I have to write emails all day long. Every time I was reaching out to Sam to help me out whether my grammar was correct, am I using the correct tense or the preposition? And he was helping me out for the solution. But remember, you can't do it for lifelong. You want something right now in your hand that can actually give you all the solutions in your writing task and be more confident next time when you're writing something. I did some research online and found this amazing tool called as Linguix Writing Assistant. With this tool, I can check my grammar and spelling mistakes and also at the same time understand what went wrong while I was writing it myself. So imagine a situation, you are in a business meeting and you are supposed to give a presentation right now. The text that goes in your presentation was never verified by anybody else. And while you were there on the stage, your manager said your grammar is wrong. You will be terrified. I can tell you that. And you don't want to be in that position. Instead, you could have checked your paragraphs before going into the presentation mode on this wonderful tool, which I'll show you in the upcoming part of the video. You go on that tool, check your grammar part, and then copy paste the exact in your presentation. Now you are sure there is not going to be any mistake in the tenses, in the preposition, or any other part of English grammar. So let's get started and understand how does this tool work. When I search Linguix Writing Assistant online, I land up on the website of Linguix where you can see multiple options I can use this application with. So I have an option of directly using Linguix web application, which shows you the website of Linguix, how you can use that. Also, something interesting is there, which is called as an extension for Chrome, Firefox, and Edge. This tool works best when you are in office and you write emails pretty much every single day. You have to do a lot of presentations. So you want to be sure that everything you're writing is free of grammatical errors. If you're in Chrome or Firefox or Edge, you can have anything written on Facebook, Gmail, LinkedIn, any other websites sorted or corrected by Linguix. So I'll show you how you can actually use it as an extension. I've already applied for the plan and you can see Linguix as a part of my extension on Chrome. So I do anything on Chrome. This tool will help me to get my writing sort free from all the errors. So I'll show you if I'm writing an email. This is something which I've already copy pasted from a previous task, and in the corner while I was writing I got these 5 mistakes or 5 errors that it can help me to sort out. So if I take my cursor over there, and it's because of this extension right here, I am an officially part of Linguix. Everywhere, anywhere I'm writing anything, Linguix will provide me suggestions. My Linguix will bring me to my website, which I'll show you later. You have an option of my dictionary, so if I find something I can add it into my dictionary. Okay, so let me show you. When I click there, it shows me a suggestion called as an atheist. So I have to correct that. Later you can see here asana. I can add this word to my dictionary. Automatically the word is added and the correction is done there. I have a suggestion here, comma, space y. I have a suggestion here. Now if you notice, this is interesting. Along with giving you suggestions, it tells you what went wrong in the writing part. If at the beginning of a clause usually requires a second clause, so that means a sentence can be modified a bit. Also, you can write can't. So only one error is there because I have not modified this part, which you can do always later. So if you notice here, my paragraph is well sorted, well corrected because of the help of the application or the tool Linguix. Now, if you notice here, this word is there in my dictionary now. Let me take you to my Linguix, how this exactly works. This brings you to the website. You go to the web application and moving on will bring me to the main website. Now if you're a student and you want to use it just for some purposes, you can always go here, Create a new window for yourself, write your task. The moment you write it, you get your suggestions and you can work accordingly. In the meantime, you have your dictionary ready with you. If you notice, asana was the word that I added previously. Now it's a part of my dictionary, all other words that I've used previously. So that's something interesting. Now guys, I want to show you something which I liked about this tool the most was I am going to, let's imagine somewhere. The moment I wrote that, I got some corrections. The first correction was I has to be capital. Now, before I even understand why, I can go to show more and understand other factors why it was wrong. So it helps you as a friend, it helps you as a tool, as a teacher, anything, anywhere you're writing, you have somebody who can correct you with the proper explanation. So as a teacher, I click on there, get the correction. Number 2 was my spelling. I can add it to my dictionary, I can modify it. The moment I click on here, the correction will automatically go in the picture and it goes in your dictionary automatically. Alright, here is the word which I didn't modify in the first place. Now, everything that you have seen so far was with the basic version as well as the premium version. I have already have the basic premium version. You can renew your versions. You can go with other monthly, annual or quarterly plans. Please understand guys, this is really important. If you are in a profession where you write emails every day, where you have email writing, you got to get this tool right now. It has helped me as a professional trainer or as a YouTuber. I have to write emails every single day. So I want to be sure whatever I'm writing is sorted. I don't want to be dependent on anybody else. If you're a college student, you can get a monthly plan, get your thesis sorted, get your project submission sorted. Everything has to be corrected. Now, another important thing is the secret mode, which I personally loved it. Anything that you want to write here is up to you. This goes in the secret mode. These documents are never saved. So you want to get correction on some project, but you don't want other people to see it. You can do it here. So that was pretty much about Linguix. That was pretty much about the Chrome, Firefox and Edge extension. Use this tool, install it right now, use it to the maximum you can. So this is the amazing tool which I want you to use right now. Close the video, go back to your writing task and cut, copy, paste whatever you want to check and see the results. You will be amazed. Every information that you would need regarding this tool goes in the description. Don't forget to check out the link of Linguix Writing Assistant and have fun with your writing task. I'll see you in the upcoming videos. Have a good day.